Okay, now my flash is back on. Remember my vacuum cleaner? I can't even remember the name of it. The one that yes, that one. Yeah? Okay. Now, I've been trying to hoover. If I switch it on from here, when I first used it, I got very excited and everything. Right, now, if I switch it on from here, and I put my hand on here, it's nothing to write home about, but it's working, okay? So, what I was doing is finding I'm having to go over one area several times. And I'm thinking the length of the tube, the suction and everything, by the time it gets to the end, there's a reduction in power anyway. So, I moved on to the bottom piece. Now, I've taken it off, and as you can see, all on the floor there, sorry about the reflection of the light, but like I say, if I need to do what I need to do, and I need to clean this thing so I can do it. So I can't make this video tomorrow, I've got to make it now. Right, inside here where you have your brush, yeah, it get caught up with hair. That's all this lot has come from here. See there? That lump there? Inside, just inside where you can see where the pipe joins, it gets clogged up. So what you got to do, well, what I have done, I got myself a screwdriver and I go inside there. Can you see all that moving there? Clear it out, and you will find, hopefully, this gadget should perform better. So I'm not going to slag it off just yet, because when I did said it the first time, I said, oh, it was this and it was that and it was that, so can't slag it off. I'm just trying to get this piece. You see, you can't manage it, woman. See, look at that, look at that. Anyway, chuck that amongst there, and you can see inside there it looks a lot clearer. So we're just going to see if we can get some more out. Get our screwdriver down in there. So what we need now is a piece. Look at that, eh? So it looked like this thing gonna need maintenance. Every now and then you gotta clean it out if you find it not doing what it's supposed to do, basically. Look at that. Yeah, don't worry about that. There's somebody in the background trying to mess up my program. Thinks they may have got ton millionaire and not get it. Yes, people, as you can see, it just continues. It just continues. Look at that. Yeah. So if you lost your ears ring, you're due to find it now. So anyway, we looked just now, and we can see through to the pipe. So if we push that back down there, you see it comes out that end. So, in fact, that's another way you could do it. In fact, where you see me digging it all out, just use your screwdriver. Okay, sorry, something happened there. I don't know what happened. But like I was saying, just use something, push it through. Save you doing all of that. But you can see the kind of chaos you're up against once this thing starts to do it. What is this? Oh, I never know. But you see all these little, it's kind of like odd, something like you peel off the back of something. Them things will block up your hoover. Anyway, we're going to try and clean this out a little bit more, seeing as we're in this position. You can see all that. Clean it out a bit more and then see how it performs. But if it goes back to new, there's your little tip. Okay, so from tradespeople's tips, look after each other, stop spinning people yarn and ripping them off. Yeah? Good luck. Stop it. Laters. Okay, I'm back again. Right, now, I didn't have my glasses on and I went and put my glasses on. I've done a video earlier on and showing you how my hoover, I'm going to get the name for you because I can't even remember the name of it. You can see on the dirty. And all inside there was blocked, but what I did, I went the long way around it. Okay, first of all, I couldn't see I didn't realize I could get the screwdriver all the way through because of the bend, but I fortunately can. See? Right, so when you watch the other video, don't think I'm a plonker, it's just the way it went. Alright, the roller, that can be, it's removable. As you can see, I've removed it. I didn't mention that in the video. I kind of showed myself struggling, so now I've struggled so I can prevent you struggling. This catch, I saw the catch, I slid the catch, but it wouldn't move. Okay, because I didn't have my glasses on, I couldn't see properly. But this catch, it goes in something like that. I'm not even sure because I just pulled it out, sort of thing. Alright, anyway, it goes in there, and what it does is it holds the roller in. So the roller, by the look of things, I'm making this up as we go along, that's just completely, it's just round. Right, that ain't got no grease on it of any kind, so I'm assuming it goes in like that. Okay, sorry about that. So that goes in there like that, and that drops in there. Now this piece clips on. You take notice of which way you take it out, so you won't be fumbling around like I am at the moment. Right, I'm assuming that goes in there some way, somehow. It's a bit awkward trying to do it on camera, so I should try to do it with a one-man camera sort of thing. Anyway, let me just clip this back in and I'll tell you which way it goes around, whether it goes that way or it goes that way. But I'm 110% it goes that way. It's just that I can't get at the son of a gun thing. See that? That's how is there something going? Yeah? And then you just slide this catch down, which will lock that in. So now we've cleaned everything and it's all as good as new. So we're going to give it another shot now and see how we get on with that. Okay? There's a little tip for you from tradespeople's tip. Probably the same on any vacuum you've got to clean it out. You can see it's all clean, nice and clean. Alright, listen, we're just a talk for talk's sake. Soon come. Okay, before I sign off, on the top of here, alright, you have this filter. Okay? Now, inside of this filter is this little sponge. You need to clean that every now and then when you. So you know what, I'm gonna give that vacuum cleaner 5 minutes and clean out all the little nooks and crannies. Yeah, that come out there. Just press back in just like that. This part here, take it out. There you go. See how it comes out? No twist, no nothing. Just falls straight out. So you put that back in. Yeah, on here it just tells you if you got problems with it, don't take it back to where you buy it. Just call the number and they'll sort it out. That press down and clips. To release it, press the top there, the red button, sorry, and lift. Okay, close it down. And on the bottom here we have our filter, and we just checked inside there. And it's all clean-ish. Well, you know, this. We didn't even get involved in that to see if it disconnects or whatever, but when trouble come, me fix it and tell you of it. But right now we're not for fast of it. What they say, if it ain't broken, don't fix it. So that is cool for now. Laters, people.